Okay, in exercise 45 and 46, we have to solve the given linear system and write the solution x as x is equal to xp plus xh, where xp represents the particular solution to the given system and x sub h represents the solution to the associated homogeneous system. So here two systems are given. We need to solve them and then represent the solution of this system as the sum of xp and xh. So I will solve question number 46 because here are only three equations. The calculation required will be less as compared to question number 45. So question number 46, the system is x minus y minus 2z plus 3w is equal to 4 and 3x. This is question number 46. 3x plus 2y minus z plus 2w is equal to 5 minus y minus 7z plus 9w is equal to minus 2. So in order to solve this system, first write the augmented matrix of this system. The augmented matrix will be we denoted usually by A sub b, and it is defined as the coefficient matrix 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 and 4. 3 2 minus 1 2 5 0 minus 1 minus 7 9 and minus 2. Now we need to reduce this augmented matrix to echelon form. So here we see that the leading one, this is the first non-zero entry which is equal to 1. Then below this leading one, all the other entries must be 0. So this is already 0. We need to set this 3 equal to 0. So for this we have to apply the row operation R2 minus 3 times R1. So we will apply the row operation. So the next matrix will be row equivalent to the given matrix. So here we apply the row operation. 1 minus 1 minus 2 3 4. The row operation is row 2 minus 3 times row 1. So 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 1 plus 6 is 5. Minus 1 plus 6. And 2 minus 9 is minus 7. And 5 minus 12 is minus 7. And 0, minus 1, minus 7, 9, and minus 2. Now in the next step, this entry must be equal to 1 because in echelon form or reduced echelon form, the first non-zero entry in each row must be equal to 1. So we need this entry must be equal to 1. So for this, we have to divide R2 by 5. We have to
फिर
divide
कर सकते हैं ना
G.
R3 को इंटरचेंज कर दे सर R2 के साथ
सही है, वो
फिर
भी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, वो कर ले। हो गया interchanging R3 with R2. So the next matrix will be and multiply R3 with minus also. ठीक है, वो एक स्टेप में इग्नोर कर लेता हूँ, स्किप कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, तो interchanging R3 with R2. So we will get 0, minus 1, minus 7, 9, minus 2, and 0, 5, 5, minus 7, or minus 7. R3 is interchanged with R2, also minus 1 times R2 now. R2 को अब minus 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर ले। ये आपने नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करना है, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पर कर लिया। When we multiply R2 with minus 1, we will get here plus 1, plus 7, plus 2, and minus 9. Multiplying R2 with minus 1. Now this 5 must be equal to 0 for echelon form. So for this we will apply another row operation, R3 minus 5 times R2. R3 minus 5 times R2. Zero, 1, 7, minus 9, 2, R3 minus 5 times R2. 0 minus 0 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, and 5 minus 35. Minus 30 and minus 7 plus 45. Minus 7 plus 45. 38. And minus 7 minus 10. Minus 17. 5 minus 5 and 5 minus 35. Minus 30 minus 7 plus 45. Minus 7 plus 45 is 38. And minus 7 minus 10 is minus 17. Now for echelon form, this entry must be equal to 1. This entry must be equal to 1. So in next step, In next step, we have to multiply row 3 with minus 1 over 30, but I will multiply it here. Multiply in next step, row 3 with minus 1 over 30. So you will get 17 by 30, 38 by 30,
38 by 30 is
and
equal
1
to
here.
and 1.
Here you will get 1. So we see that this is our echelon form. Okay, and we also see that the row rank of the matrix A equals the row rank of the augmented matrix. So this system has a solution. And further we note that the row rank of the augmented matrix and the row rank of A is equal to 3, but it is less than the number of unknowns. How many unknowns are there? There are 4 unknowns.
4
So we will have infinitely
main
many
solution.
solutions. We will have infinitely many solutions. So using backward substitution techniques, we have
जबरिंग सर जबरिंग मैट्रिक्स
by
इक्वल नहीं
we
हो
see that z plus
W.
W
38
38
by 30
W
w is
is equal
equal
to
to
17 by 30.
17 by 30, and from the this equation y plus
Y plus 7 0
7z
minus 9
minus
W is equal to 9W
9w
is equal to 2
is
is
equal
equal
to
to 2.
2, and from first equation x minus
X Y
y minus 2z
plus 3W
plus 3w
is equal to 5.
is equal to 5. So from first equation we can express z as a function of w. So we have z is equal to 17 by 30 minus 38
38 by 30.
by 30w. Using this value of z, in equation number 2, so this implies that y is equal to shift these two terms to the right side. Y is equal to minus 7 into z. Use the value of z. The value of z is 17 by 30 minus 38 by 30
W
w. So this is z. This is the value of z. Minus 9w. So to the right side it will be plus 9w and plus 2.
2
Simplify it. Minus 7 into 17.
49 1 mm, 7 X
And
only.
minus 7, this is plus.
Yes, sir. Those 266
Divided by
30
30. W plus 9
W
W plus 2. Simplify. 266 minus 119.
X
1.
145
Mm-hmm. 147.
Yes, sir.
147 W and multiply. Take LCM. 147 W by
Yes, sir.
30 or plus 9W plus 2. So 9 into 30, 270. 270 plus 147, 317. हाँ,
सर ये हम कर लेंगे, बस सर ये बताओ कि इसके बाद क्या कर रहे हैं।
बस बस
It
सबर
next to
करें। अब तो मैंने कर लिया है ना।
जी सर।
दिस इज वाई, ठीक है। दिस इज जेड, दिस इज वाई। Similarly, find x. Similarly, we can find x in terms
Yes.
of x will
Where
be something into w plus 5. Okay. X will also be some number into w plus 5. So we will have a solution like this. We will have a solution like this. X is equal to 5 plus some constant plus or minus some constant into w. Y is equal to 2 plus 317 by 30 into w. Z is equal to 17 by 30 minus 38 by 30 into w, and w can be expressed as 0 plus 1 times w. We can express as, because w is w. Okay. So if w is equal to r, say if we replace w by some arbitrary parameter, if we replace w by r, so we will have a solution like this. If w is r, so we will have a solution like this: r, 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 and r. And then we can write this solution as this vector, and if we replace this by plus and this by minus, so this vector. And this is our required solution. This is actually denoted by this vector. This is actually denoted by x vector, which is the solution of the given system. Ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b. This is the solution. So this is called the particular solution, and this is called the the solution associated with the material solution. So we have,
सर एक्स को एनी वैल्यू दे सकते हैं हम?
जी
सर आर को एनी वैल्यू दे सकते हैं हम?
हाँ ना, r is any real number, because r can take any value. Why? Because we have in reduced echelon form, we have the rank was equal to 3 and the unknown were 4. So the rank was less than the number of unknowns. So we will have infinitely many solutions. So r is any real number. You can substitute r is equal to 0. You can substitute any positive number instead of r. You can substitute any negative number instead of r. Okay. So this is the required procedure.
यस सर।
Clear हो गया?
यस सर।
Okay. Next 47 and 48 and 49 and 50. They are similar questions, but here we have to solve 4 equations, and here we have to solve 3 equations. So 47 and 48 are comparatively simpler than 49 and 50 computationally. Here less computation will be required, so I will solve one of them. And question of in exercise 47 and 48, find a quadratic polynomial that interpolates the given points. So we need to find a second degree polynomial which passes through these 3 points. So we will start as by assuming that we will start as let y is equal to ax square plus bx
plus C.
plus c be the required polynomial. This is the unknown polynomial. Actually, a, b, c are unknowns. This is the required polynomial. If I solve question number 48, which passes through the 3 points 1, 5, 2, 12, 3, 44. So 1 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. 2 is x and 12 is y. 3 is x coordinate and 44 is y. So substituting all these in the given equation, so we will have y 5
Maybe
and x is 1. So if we put x is equal to 1, so we will get a into 1 square plus b into 1 and plus c is equal to 5. Next is 212. So x is equal to 2. So if we put x is equal to 2, so we will get 4a, 2b and plus c is equal to 12. And next is 344. 344. So put x is equal to 3. So 9a, 3b
plus
plus c
plus C
is equal
is
to
equal to
44. So we have to solve this system for A, B, C. So for this, write the augmented matrix.
सर वो
सर हम
बच्चे
ये
कह रहे
सॉल्व
हैं क्लास
करेंगे
कर लेंगे।
इजाजत देकर
जी सर।
ओके, तो इसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर 49 और 50 भी है।
एचोलान
क्वेश्चन नंबर
एचोलान तक जाना है या रिड्यूस तक इसमें?
नहीं नहीं, आपकी मर्जी है, खिलान तक आप कर लें। 1 मिनट सब्र करें। राजा लगाओ।
जी सर, सही सही सर।
माशाल्लाह।
जी डन नदी। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट है कि ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, 52, 53।
सर
जी
सर बच्चे कह रहे हैं क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर ले सर।
सर स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही। सर स्क्रीन
ये वाला
नहीं आ रही।
स्क्रीन आपको नजर नहीं आ रही?
यस सर।
बाकी
सर
स्टूडेंट्स को
सेक्शन
नजर आ
नजर नहीं
रही
आ रही।
जी
यस सर।
नजर आ रही है।
अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूं 48 नंबर?
यस सर।
Okay. The augmented matrix is 1, 1, 1, 4, 2,
1
1, 9, 3, 1,
5
5,
12
12, 44। देखिए यहाँ पर आपकी मर्जी है, आप एचेलॉन फॉर्म से करते हैं या रिड्यूस से करते हैं, यहाँ पर कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है। ठीक है, तो reduce this system to echelon form. So we will apply 2 row operations, R2 minus 4 times R1 and R3 minus 9 times R1. So we will get this system. 1, 1, 1 and 5. ये माइक ऑफ कर दीजिए सर। R2 minus 4 times R1.
सर इसमें जो कॉलम 3 है सर, इसमें 0 0 नहीं लगेगा सी की जगह?
नहीं, सी की जगह 0 0 क्यों लगेगा? 1 1 1 नहीं है कोएफिशिएंट्स, द कोएफिशिएंट्स ऑफ ए बी सी लगाएंगे हम, ठीक है? द कोएफिशिएंट्स
ओके
ऑफ ए
सर।
बी सी, क्लियर? एंड R3 minus 9 R1. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. 12 minus 20 minus 8. 9 minus 9 0. 3 minus 9 minus 6. 1 minus 9 minus 8. 44 minus 45 minus 1. Next, set this equal to 1. So for this we will apply the row operation. Divide R2 by 1. 1 1 1 5 0 minus 2 by 2 1 minus 3 by 2 3 by 2 minus 8 by minus 2 4 0 minus 6 minus 8 minus 1. We have applied the row operation. Minus 1 over 2 R2. Next, set this equal to 0, this minus 6. So for this we will apply the row operation. R3 plus 6 times R2. R3 plus 6 times R2. So R3, next is R3 plus 6 times R2. So we will get 1 1 1 and 5 0 1 3 by 2 and 4 0 minus 6 plus 6 0 and minus 8 plus 6 times this. So 6 into 3 by 2 is 9. So minus 8 plus 9 1
1.
and minus 1 plus 24
23.
23. So this is the required echelon form. Okay, this is the coefficient of what? This is the
C.
coefficient of C. So C is equal to 23, and from here B plus, from this equation B plus 3 by 2
over 3C
3 by 2 C.
equal to 4.
So 3 by 2 C is equal to 4. Simplify this. This implies that B is equal to
5 by 2.
4 minus 3 3s are 9 and 6 by 2. 8 minus 69 minus 61 by 2. And from here A plus B plus C is equal to 5. Simplify this, you will get A. So minus 61 by 2. This implies that A is equal to 5 minus 23 plus 61 by 2. So 2 is the LCM. 10 minus 46 plus 61. So minus 46 plus 61. 15. So 25 over 2. A is equal to 25 over 2. So A is 25 over 2, B is minus 61 by 2, and C is 23. So our required polynomial will be, our polynomial is y is equal to A. A is 25 over 2, x square. B is 61 by 2, x, and C is 23. This is the required polynomial. Okay. Question number 52 and 53. These are word problems. First, we have to make a system of equations, and then we have to solve the system of equation using the same techniques. So, question number 51 solve करूं या 52?
52.
सर 51
सॉल्व नहीं करना, मैंने सिर्फ सिस्टम लिखना है, ठीक है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 सॉल्व बस फिर आप करिए, आसान है. A book publisher publishes a potential bestseller in 3 different bindings: paperback, book club, and deluxe. एक बुक पब्लिशर है, वो 3 तरह के बुक्स जो है ना वो पब्लिश करता है. 3 types of books are published: paperback, book club, and deluxe. Each paperback book require 1 minute for sieving and 2 minutes for gluing. Each book club required 2 minutes for sieving and 4 minutes for gluing. Each deluxe book required 3 minutes for sieving and 5 minutes for gluing. If the sieving plant is available for 6 hours per day and the gluing plant is available for 11 hours per day, how many books of each type can be produced per day so that the plants are fully utilized? So we have 3 types of books: paperback, three types of books: paperback, book club, so I will write only club, and deluxe. And there are 2 plants. One is the sieving plant and the other is the gluing plant. So I will write them in rows: sieving and gluing. So one book of paperback required 1 minute for sieving. So this requires 1 minute for sieving and 2 minutes for gluing. 2 minutes for gluing. And similarly, the book club required 2 minutes for sieving and 4 minutes for gluing. One book required 2 minutes for sieving and 4 minutes for gluing. Similarly, the deluxe book required 3 minutes for sieving and 5 minutes for gluing. 3 minutes for sieving and 5 minutes for gluing. So one book required 1 minute. So if X is the required number of books, paper books, so X books will require 1 times X minutes for sieving and 2 times X minutes for gluing. Here, if Y is the total number of book club, so Y books will require 2Y minutes for sieving and 4Y minutes for gluing. Similarly, if the deluxe books are in numbers, so 3Z minutes will be required for sieving and 5Z minutes will be required for gluing. Now the total time for the 3 books will be, the total sieving time for the 3 books will be X plus 2Y plus 2 plus 3Z. But the sieving plant is available for 6 hours, for 5 hours, sorry, for 6 hours. So this equation must be equal to 6. And here the total gluing time for the three books will be 2x plus 4y plus 5z. And the gluing plant is available for 11 hours. If you see, this time is given in minutes. This time is given in minutes. And this time is given in hours. So we have to balance them. In order to balance them, convert these hours to minutes. So we can convert these hours to minutes by multiplying it with 60. Because in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So we will have a system of equations: x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 360, and 2x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 660. Now solve this system. Solve कर सकते हैं ना? इशेलन फॉर्म में रिड्यूस कर ले, एक स्टेप में होता है, ठीक है?
यस सर।
डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते हैं, सिमल्टेनियसली भी कर सकते हैं, ठीक है?
सर इसमें तो रोज 2 है और सर कांस्टेंट्स 3 है।
हाँ ना, तो xp प्लस x इस तरह का सोल्यूशन आएगा ना, एक वेरिएबल फ्री होगा ना। अभी जो हमने किया उसमें रोज 3 थे और वेरिएबल कितने थे? 4 थे। इस तरह का सोल्यूशन आएगा, ठीक है?
ओके सर।
x एलिमिनेट करें x, तो y और z में आ जाएगा। y को इन टर्म्स ऑफ z लिख दे और फिर x को इन टर्म्स ऑफ z लिख दे, यू विल गेट अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द फॉर्म दिस। अभी जो हमने किया, सही?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 और 56, नहीं 53, 54 एंड 56। ये 55 तक हमने करने, 56 से ऑनवर्ड नहीं करने, ठीक है? ये बिट मैट्रिसेस हैं, मुश्किल नहीं है, लेकिन ये वैसे भी हमने ऑप्शन में छोड़ दिए हैं थ्योरी में, तो बस ये 56 से ऑनवर्ड क्वेश्चन हमने नहीं करने। वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 55। तीन, ये आपका नेट का मसला तो नहीं है?
इसका नेट का मसला है सर, सबको नजर आ रही है।
अच्छा ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 एंड 54 आर सिमिलर, तो कौन सा सॉल्व करूं?
54 कर लो।
54 ओके, 54 सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। Question number 54. Construct a linear system of equation to determine a quadratic polynomial from this that satisfies these equations. Quadratic polynomial is question number 54. P of x is equal to x square plus bx plus c. So we have to find this quadratic polynomial, and this quadratic polynomial satisfies these conditions: p of 0 is equal to f of 0, p prime of 0 is equal to f prime of 0, and p double prime of 0 is equal to f double prime of 0. Okay, so what is f? F is
x
e power 2x. So find f of 0. What will be f of 0? F of 0 will be
1.
f of 0 will be e power 0, 1. Now find the derivative, f prime of 0.
Question 54, x e की
f
power
prime
x
of
minus
x,
1.
f prime of x will be 2 e power x, 2 e power 2x Now find f prime of 0.
0.
F is 2.
2.
Now find f double prime of x. F double prime of x will be 4
e की power 2x.
e power 2x. Now find f double prime of 0.
4.
4. It is given that p of 0 is equal to f of 0. Now we have to find p of 0. P of 0 is P of 0 means put x is equal to 0 here and x is equal to 0 here. So P of 0 is C. Now find P prime of x. P prime of x. So P prime of x will be here 2ax 2ax plus b.
B plus c.
plus 0.
So find P prime of 0. P prime of
B.
0 is
B.
B. And now find P double prime of x.
2a.
2a. And P double prime of 0 will be
2a.
2a. Now it is given that P of 0 is equal to
c.
C.
but it is given that P of 0 is equal to f of 0. It is given that P of 0 is equal to
F of 0.
f of 0. So P of 0 is equal to f of 0 means
C is equals to 1.
C is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Similarly, P prime of 0, matlab B, is equal to F prime of 0.
2.
And P double prime of 0 means 2A
2a is
is
equals
equal
to
to F
4.
double prime of 0.
4.
4. A is equal to
2.
2. So putting the value of A, B, C here, A is 2, B is 2, and C is 1.
1.
This is the required polynomial. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 है ना, ये आप खुद कर, ये मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ यहाँ पे नंबर 55.
ايبوني ولا خلاص هو.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 55. Question number 55. This is question number 55. देखिए ये सिस्टम आप किस तरह बनाएंगे? Estimate the temperature Ti at the 4 equispaced interior points on the plate shown in figure 1.8. So if you have to estimate this temperature T1, if you have to estimate this temperature T1, you have to take the average value of the nearest interior points. So
सर ये
60.
माइक ऑन है इसका अवैस का, तो आवाज कट रही है
माइक ऑफ करो नहीं सर
बंद कर दिए सर अब ठीक है.
अच्छा देखिए ये जो क्वेश्चन है ना कि estimate this diagram shows the temperatures T1, T2, T3 and T4. We have to estimate these temperatures. T1, T2 and T3. So for this, in order to estimate the temperature T1, we have to take the average values of the nearest temperatures. So 60, 100, T2 and T3. So since these are 4 quantities, so its average will be 60 plus 100 plus T2 plus T3 by 4. So the estimated value of T1 will be 60 plus 100 plus T2 plus T3 by 4. So you will get first equation. Similarly, in order to estimate T2, so for this we have to take the average value of T4, 40, 100 and T1. So T4, 40, 100 and T1, the average value. So you will get this equation similarly for T3 and similarly for T4. So in question number 55, estimate this temperature T1. So in order to estimate this temperature T1, question number 55. So the estimated value of T1 will be, the average value of the nearest temperatures. So the nearest
50.
temperature one is 50, other is 30,
30.
T2 and T3. So the average value is 50
30
plus 30
plus T2
plus
plus
T2
T3
plus T3
plus T3.
by 4. Because these are 4 quantities, so its average will be the sum of them divided by the number of them. So you will get, multiply 4 here, you will get 41 minus T2 minus T3 and 50 plus 30 is
80.
equal to 80. So this is the first equation. Here T1, T2, T3 are unknowns. Similarly for T2 we will have T2 is equal to
50, 30
30 plus 50
plus T1, T4.
plus T1 plus T4. plus 50
T1,
plus T1 plus
T4.
T4 divided by 4. So here we will have minus T1 minus T4 minus 42 and is equal to 80. This is the second equation. Similarly, the rest of them you can do that. T3 will be equal to 50 plus 0 plus T1 plus T4 and T4 will be equal to 50 plus 0 plus T2 plus T3. ये आप कर लेंगे और फिर इस 4 सिस्टम को आपने सॉल्व करना है, 4 इक्वेशंस को. हो जाएगा?
बिल्कुल सर, हो जाएगा.
मेरे ख्याल में आज के लिए इतना काफी है. ठीक है?
यस सर, बहुत तक गए.
बहुत है सर.
ओके, चलिए ठीक है यार, बस इतना काफी.
सर अटेंडेंस
अटेंडेंस लगा ले.